I-focus naman sa kanang mga news, okay? Sige.
I am here to support the event of the PRP. I am here for the betterment for the community and to alternative of my view. I seek for no reward, no glory, but for only in one spirit of the place and unity.
Wow. Wala ka pa dito sa Manila, may murang tayo sa banana.
Survive na, survive.
Kasi si Tyron, ano Brian? Alay.
Ito na kayo
Twin Founders.
Most event hierarchy. Sir Wilson Boy section. Most South hierarchy. Sir Muhammad Mujainan. Most exalt knight. Most exalt knight, Sir Nasim Lim. Grand Torres, Hector Torres. Most exalt knight, Sir Ahmad Warachi. Honor knight, Sir Najib Pagila. Grand Chancellor, Sir Asher Bernardino. Supreme Advisor, Sir
Asano lang, kung saan man siya? Kung saan man siya,
most exalt keeper, Sanula Abrasa.
Kung nga kayo, di Manila dito nga, may mo tawag mayong sumbanan sa komunidad na. Makada? Alin si... Sani? Josepino Puyos. Okay. Twin Founders. Suka-suka. Waalaikumsalam.
Hector Torres,
Dan Purel.
Torres. Surname, most exalted knight. Ahmad Duarte, Salona Barasa.
Darling.
Sige, sige.
Bazinda, Honor Knight. Asar Bernardino, Constantino, Maximo de la Cruz Jr., Advisor.
Green.
Red, Makiartian, my body is sold, the way of the PRP. I am Makiartian, the village in the English staff of the PRP. I am Makiartian, I will support and defend the objectives of the PRP. I am Makiartian, to the betterment, to the benefit, and prosperity of the economy. I seek for no reward, no glory, but for only in one spirit of brotherhood, peace, and unity.
Pak mo. So, ato na ko ingon ko. Salamat na puhon na ito kayo mo kada problema sa mga katulogwa. Kayo mo tao ba kumbalan sa atong komunidad, sa atong malay. Nakita nilang PRP, ito na nagkaya. Salamat. Bon, take charge.